Hi, my name's Kelly Griffin and I'm a Solution Architect with AWS. Today I'm going to provide you with a quick overview of the Amazon S3 File Gateway. So let's jump right in. The AWS Storage Gateway acts as a bridge to provide access to virtually unlimited cloud storage by connecting applications running on-premises to Amazon storage. The Storage Gateway allows customers to connect to and use key cloud storage services such as Amazon S3, Amazon S3 Glacier, Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, and Amazon Elastic Block Store. The Storage Gateway easily deploys on-premises using a pre-configured hardware appliance or as a virtual machine that supports all of the major hypervisors. By providing a local cache, Storage Gateway enables low latency access to frequently accessed data. The Storage Gateway supports access via storage protocols such as NFS, SMB, and iSCSI VTL, so no changes to customer applications are required, and data is transferred securely and efficiently between the on-premises environment and AWS. There are 4 different types of gateways. Customers use the S3 File Gateway to store file data into S3 for use by object-based workloads, including data analytics or machine learning, as a cost-effective target for backups, and as a repository or tier in the cloud for application file storage. The FSx File Gateway provides low latency access to Amazon FSx for Windows File Server data on-premise, making it easy for users to access FSx for Windows File Server data while conserving shared bandwidth. You can use the Tape Gateway to replace existing physical tape libraries with a virtual tape library, or VTL. You can continue to use your existing backup applications and workflows while writing to a nearly limitless collection of virtual tapes. And each virtual tape is stored in Amazon S3, where it can be stored for long-term requirements. The Volume Gateway presents your application block storage volumes using the iSCSI protocol, and data written to these volumes can be asynchronously backed up as point-in-time snapshots of your volumes, and these can be stored in the cloud as Amazon EBS snapshots. A file gateway simplifies file storage in Amazon S3 and integrates to existing applications through industry standard file system protocols, as well as providing a cost-effective alternative to an on-premises storage. It also provides low latency access to data through transparent local caching. The File Gateway presents a file interface that enables you to store files as objects in Amazon S3 using NFS and SMB file protocols. The gateway provides access to objects in S3 as files or as a file share mount point, which can be controlled via POSIX or Active Directory permissions. With a File Gateway, you can access your data directly in Amazon S3 from any AWS cloud application or service, and you can manage your Amazon S3 data using lifecycle policies, cross-region replication, and versioning. You can think of a file gateway as a file system mount on S3. So let's have a look at a demonstration on using the File Gateway for backing up a SQL server and storing the SQL backup files within S3. So here we are in the console. We have our Storage Gateway. Now if we edit this information, we can have a look at our SMB settings here. We can see that we're joined to an Active Directory, and this is our File Storage Gateway using S3. We can have a look at some metrics as well if we need to, and these are pulling directly from CloudWatch. If we have a look at our file shares, you can see that we have a file share already connected here, and you can see down the bottom there how we can connect this to a Windows server. Let's jump over to a SQL server where we have a backup job that is writing directly to our S3 File Gateway connected on premise. So you can see there we're connecting our backup. We're writing a backup to the File Gateway. And you can see there the file gateway mapped to our Z drive. We have a number of backup files in there, and they're writing directly to our S3 file gateway. So now let's run a backup. This shouldn't take very long, and that's now successful. So now if we have a look in our file system again and refresh, you can see that our backup has now been written to the S3 file gateway, and we can also see that information inside Event Viewer. So I hope this has been an informative overview of a use case utilizing the AWS Storage Gateway. You can find additional information and documentation by accessing the AWS Storage Gateway product page. Thank you.